everyone, my name is Cokie. I'm 6 years old. Today I tell you about the story, Those Hiccups. Those Hiccups. Perfect. Cheers. Cops. Competition. Crowd. Dons. Down. Ears. Enter. Fingers. Hey, lemon, music, nervous, nurse, put, scare, she, shout, fly, surprise, television, water, and but can't drink, gas, gift. So happy has have her hiccups. I in it eats. Mother know of all on plays sings song still soak the upside will jaw. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Heck. Don is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Don's mother gives her a scare. Surprise. Heck. Don still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Heck, but Don still has hiccups. Suck on a side of lemon. Heck, but Don still has hiccups. A nurse gives Don a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Don's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.